AE dosing pump operation video. Unboxing. Open the outer box and take out the product and accessories. Installation. Open dosing liquid. Pour the liquid into the bottle of AE. Then tighten the pump head. Connect the PVC tube. Align the connector at the outlet. Connect the tubing. Cut the other end to a suitable length. Fix to the tank wall with a holder bracket. Finally, connect the power adapter. When you hear the sound of beep, indicator light turns blue, the installation is successful. Connect APP. Enter the Kamoer remote APP. Click the +, sign in the upper right corner. Select AE. According to the guide, make sure the mobile phone Bluetooth is turned on. Back to APP. At this point, AE will be searched. According to the product serial number, select the corresponding product. Choose Home Wi-Fi. Write password. Click Next. Waiting for connection. Connection succeeded. Click on the AE icon. Now, available. Schedule mode. In schedule mode, first, set the total volume of the liquid. Then set the cycle mode. Can be by week or by day. Click the + sign to create a new schedule group. Set the name and time period of the scheduled group. Save. Then add a single dosing plan. Set the dosing start time and dosing amount. When the set time is reached, AE starts adding liquid automatically. When the set dosing is completed, AE auto stops. Manual mode. In manual mode, addition amount can be set manually. Click Start. AE start dosing. Click Stop. AE stop dosing. Setting and calibration. In the setting interface, can rename the device. Can synchronize the time of devices and mobile phones. Flow can also be calibrated. Empty first. Fill the tube with liquid. Pause. Then set the calibration time. Click to start the calibration. Will automatically count down. After stopping, enter the volume of liquid in the graduated cylinder. Calibration complete. Thanks for watching.